We
Tan
need
theta.
dx by dt, no? So differentiate this. This is nothing but agreed.
Yes, sir.
Omega is 0.1. What is this? You agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
Sir, 1/10, sir.
1 by? Correct or no?
0.1.
1 by 10. This is 2. Now it is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Oh, sir, one.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Give 2 minutes.
Done.
1 minute, sir.
Finished?
No, sir, one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 second, sir. Last line I am writing.
What you do, man? You do painting or what? So much time.
Sir, it's a little bit blur, sir.
Hey, you should write
Out of
fast.
focus.
Otherwise, go. Finished?
Yes, sir.
See, whenever a particle is moving along a curve like this, he'll ask find the radius of curvature. This is the point, no? This is the velocity, no? Can you tell? Now try to complete one circle like this. Center will be in which side, man?
Towards the
In the
north.
direction of the
Circle.
V
Center, no?
radius.
So this is the center.
Correct.
So this is AR.
Omega is equals to RV.
This is only we call radius of curvature. Agreed? Now suppose we need here. You know that velocity will be tangential. Say this is V2. Now definitely this is the center now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here there is a AR. Now here AR is what? Agreed? So I can say that this
sir.
R1,
Sir,
so
AR could
radius
also
of,
be upright. No.
pardon?
Here AR could also be upright.
Huh?
No,
Here,
it's because the circle is the curve is opening downwards, so the circle is always downwards.
yes, man, but that can also happen, right?
The curve is opening downwards, no? If it were to open upwards, then the circle would be on top of V2.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you need here. Just show the velocity. Now complete this circle. Because the curve is taking like this now. If it is going like this, then you can take it. It's coming like this. See. Now you can see this going like this now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So here also.
Sir, how do we know that AR is constant for all of them?
Pardon?
How do we know that AR is constant for all of them?
AR is not constant. Who said AR is constant? Oh, you're thinking like that. Ah. Okay, we do only. It changes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
AR is nothing but net force toward the center.
Centripetal force, right, sir?
Hmm.
Or they are saying they will conduct JEE means 4 to 5 times in a year.
Followed? Yes.
Followed, sir.
Completed?
1 minute. Sir, doing.
1 minute.
So this is the net force toward the center by mass.
Completed, sir.
No, sir, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute, sir. Last line. Last line. Sir, that's vector sum of forces.
Vector sum of the forces toward the center.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Should I turn this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, if NEET is conducted online, then everybody can do cheating, no, sir?
oh,
Centers will be formed.
each one will have different paper, no? And you cannot write at home, man. You have to go to the center and write.
Sir.
They are thinking like MS at home will write, huh?
Yes, sir.
There will be centers.
So what is the
Keep on.
use of online, sir? In
What is
center.
the use of?
Online in center, sir. By going to center. and then
It can be
writing on-
finished quickly. Offline, big headaches are coming.
Yes, sir. Bubbling.
Many issues are coming. Okay,
Sir,
anyhow.
but the
Yes, sir.
success rate will be there, right?
Online
So-
bigger issues will come, no, sir. If someone's
So far, online exams are successful. From mains, they're conducting, advanced, they're conducting, civil services, they're conducting. Only some few exams are left.
Sir, MSET also from last 2 years it is online only. No?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
only this main NEET only is not being conducted. Anyway, any difficulty you face, other students also face. Now, why you are bothered?
so today we are starting Newton's law of motion.
Hmm.
After this one only, sir.
Yeah.
There we should be we should have a good base of vectors in Newton's law of motion.
Huh?
We should have a good base of vectors for Newton's law of motion.
You see, good base is needed for everything. Just listen, man. Why again starting only you'll fear, right? Find the radius of curvature at a point particle speed is 6 meters per second. Understood the question?
Yes.
Somewhere we don't know.
Yes,
Say
sir.
at any point here, let us see. Velocity will be in which direction, man?
Tangential.
Down.
Tangent. Draw one tangent.
Tangential.
Okay. Now you can see this is mg. Now we need to find force in this direction, no? Force perpendicular to this. To find this force, we need this angle, no?
Yes, sir, needed.
For that, what we will do, no? We have to find some angle, otherwise we cannot. See, you know that, suppose this is some theta. 6 cos theta must be equal to 10 cos 60. Remember this? In projectile
Sure.
motion, horizontal
Yes, sir.
speed remains constant,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
We have 10 cos 60, 6 cos theta. 10 into, what is this you have? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, agree.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes,
Note on
sir.
this. Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, the force mg is also directed towards the center.
And
Force mg is also directed towards the center.
no, we have to find that. Fr is mg towards this. So this will be some angle, no?
Yes, sir.
Some angle. Okay. Some value like 30 or 40 something. So if this is theta, what is this angle, man?
90 minus theta.
91
So what is this angle?
90 minus theta. 90 plus theta.
Do you agree with this?
Sir, differentiate that theta to this theta, sir.
Oh, please,
Theta
fellow,
one,
this is
theta two.
90 minus theta, na? This together is
Yes,
90.
sir.
Now what will be this angle?
Theta.
Theta.
No, sir. That theta and that theta. It, we are writing same. We should write theta 1, theta 2, right?
These are same, man, idiot.
Same only. Same only.
This is theta. This is 90 minus. Again, these are perpendicular, no? This should be 90
Okay,
minus
sir.
theta or not?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Force towards the center is Fr is mg cos theta only, no? What is the force towards the center?
Yes, sir. MG cos theta.
MG cos theta.
Okay, cos theta.
So you have Fr equals what by m is nothing but AR, no? Fr, how much you got? Mg cos theta by m. This is what? G cos theta is AR. This is V square by R, no? This gives
Yes,
you what is R? What is V you got? 6 square by G. What is cos theta? Understood this? This is the radius of curvature. Follow this?
Followed, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
പാടത്തെ പാടത്ത് നല്ല കണ്ണനെ കിട്ടും എന്നെ പറ്റി കണ്ടില്ലേ കണ്ണനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കൊറേ പോയി പിടിച്ചോട്ടെ
Can you turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Finish this?
Sir, how is AR,
Huh?
that AR,
Madam?
nothing, sir. Understood that. Forgot. I forgot something.
Return this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir.
So now we have completed
1
your
minute, sir.
module 3 in toto. Now we are going to module 4. Okay.
Newton's law of motion.
Yes.
Once to the last page, last line I have to write.
$32.6 now.
Hmm. How much you're getting?
4.3.
4.12.
Right. See here, first of all, before we go ahead, we should first know linear momentum. See, any
find R of B, that
particle
is the
is moving,
that
it
is what
has
integral is,
velocity.
right? It is the area bounded by
Okay.
x is equal
That
to a, x is equal to
particle-
b. Okay, and curve and x-axis. So I need R of B. That is my ultimate aim. So what is R of B? So R of B is my ultimate aim. What is R of B? It is f of B minus f of A. That's what the definition is. So f of B minus f of A is what? Integral. See here. Here. So what is the integral of f of x dx? First you write integral. Phi gives me area, okay, till here. So if x is here, I'll get area till here. If x is here,
Agreed.
I'll get area till here. If x is here,
This
I'll
is
get
Yes,
area
sir.
till here, and
the
so on.
meaning of
Whatever
linear
x is, that
momentum.
area I'll get.
Understood this? That means
I'll get
linear
area starting from x is equal to
momentum
a
is
and whatever
suppose
that
if
x
m
is,
is
whatever that
constant.
x is. So that is defined as R of x. Clear?
Then what do you have? P is
So what is
proposed to V, no?
R of x plus
So,
dx? So
how
let
the
me
graph
just
appears?
erase this and write it here.
You should draw the graph like this.
So this is x.
This is of the form
So
y is proposed
if
to
I
x,
write
no?
another line here, which is
Yes,
in the
sir.
neighborhood,
Again,
which
no?
is x
Line.
plus dx.
Passing through the origin.
So this is what dx. This is what
Agreed.
this yellow thing is what dx.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Agree.
Now tell me, what is r of x plus dx minus r of x? It is actually area till here minus area till here. Area
Then
till here
how does this appear? Then also same
minus
thing.
area till here. Okay, so you'll get this area. Okay,
Straight
so
line
r
So
of
what is
x
y and
plus dx minus r of x is this area. Correct?
Hold on.
Okay,
sir, what
but
is
that
y
area
and
is
r?
also equal to
Not r
this
minus
is
x,
f of
stick
x
for nothing
and
fellows.
this is dx.
So much
That yellow
area
area
you
is
got
also
figured
equal
out
to
what is
f
it.
of x
This is
times
the
dx,
x-axis, this
right?
is
No,
y-axis.
sir,
Because that is
that
length and
When
breadth
you
of
are
that
going,
triangle.
to
So
write an
what
next
can I
level
conclude here?
examination,
I can conclude
be
this.
prudent and have
no,
that
sir.
community skills. No question of explanation, friend.
R of x
Once
plus
I write
dx
one
No, I
statement,
thought
minus
you
r
may
of
think
x
anything.
I
is
thought-
equal
The
to
gap
f
between
of
these
x
two
dx.
automatically what
So what
does
is
it
f of
reflect?
x equal to?
Every time we cannot
R
say
of x plus
horizontal
dx
axis. Still I'll be here
minus
forever,
r
I
of
think, in
x
life.
by dx.
Right, come back to this.
Correct?
Understood this?
But what is
This
this
is
the
also of the
definition of? This
form
is definition
what?
of derivative of function, right?
Y
So this is equal
proportional
to
to x.
derivative of r of x,
That
which is r
means this
prime
is
x
the
or r dash x. So
x-axis I
this
am
is
taking
your
here.
first
This is the
conclusion.
y-axis.
Okay.
This
So
means
if you
form
define
means
some
on
region
y what you are
as
taking, linear momentum.
r
On
of
x
x,
what you are
which is
taking,
equal to
mass.
area between a
Now
and x,
suppose
okay,
if
this
p
is
is
r of
kept
x.
constant,
So r of x plus
there are
dx
three things,
minus r
P,
of x
M,
gives you
V.
this area.
What
R
happens
of
if
x plus
M is
dx minus r of
constant and
x
these
gives
are
you
varied?
this area. Which
Suppose
area?
V is kept
Red
constant
area.
and
I'll
M
write
is
down. This
varied.
red area. Correct? Because
Suppose
r
if
of
P
x
is
plus dx was
constant,
still here and r of x was still here only. So if you subtract this area from this area, you will get this area.
then M,
Okay?
MV is
So that area is
constant,
what?
na?
r of x plus dx minus r
Yes,
of
sir.
x, but which is also
So this
equal to what?
is
F of x times dx, because that is the
the
rectangle whose
graph
breadth is
between
dx and
M
length is f
and
of x.
V.
Clear? So you
So
wrote
here
that
V is
here, you wrote that here,
proportional to 1 by
and you
M.
got this equation.
Okay,
But
or otherwise we can write like this. This
so
is how the
derivative of r
form.
of x is f of x. That is your first
On
conclusion.
x-axis what you
Second,
have? Mass.
f dash of x is also
Y-axis
equal to
V.
f of x.
So you have
Now
xy
f dash
is
of x is f
constant.
of x,
This is
as well as
called a
r dash of x is also
rectangular
equal to.
hyperbola.
That means
which have
what?
come
Derivative
across
of
in
f of x.
gas
See, here we wrote
Okay.
f dash of x is
V
also equal
versus
to
V
f
graph
of
is
x, right?
rectangular
F
hyperbola.
dash
What is
of
this
x is
graph
also equal
called?
to f of x, according to our
Equation
claim.
of
Okay. Now
rectangular
both derivatives
hyperbola.
of both the functions are
The
same.
name
Now
is
a
this.
quick
The
question for
graph
you.
appears like this.
What is the derivative of x squared? It's 2x. What is the derivative of x squared plus 3? It's still 2x,
Understood
because
this?
derivative of x square is 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
here,
Sorry, derivative of x
this
square is
is
2x,
what
and
understood
3 is constant whose
x-axis,
derivative is
y-axis.
0. What is the
We
derivative of
always,
x
what
square
we
plus
do know, there will be
100?
some physical
It's still
quantities
2x.
like this.
Correct,
We will
because
plot
100,
one on x-axis,
derivative of
other
any
on
constant is
y-axis.
0. What
Then
is
we
the
will see
derivative of
what is
x
this
square
form
minus
of this
100?
equation.
It's still
This
2x.
equation form is
That
xy
means
is
if
constant.
derivatives
In
if
mathematics,
derivatives of
xy
any two
equals
functions
constant
is
is
same,
called,
they
this
differ
graph
by a
is a
constant. If derivative
rectangular
of
hyperbola. Understood
if
this?
derivative
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
of two functions is same, two functions
Shall I turn
is same,
this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute.
they differ by a constant. They differ by a constant. Correct? That means derivative of r of x is f of x, derivative of f of x is also small f of x. Derivative of capital R of x is f of x. Derivative of capital F of x is also small f of x. That means derivatives of R of x and f of x are same. Derivative of R of x and f of x. So derivative of R of x and f of x is same. That means R of x and f of x differ by a constant. R of x must be equal to f of x plus some constant k. Do you agree? Okay. Now what was R of x? What was R of x? R of x was area between x is equal to a and any x. If x is here, you will get area till here. If x is here, you will get area till here. That's how we define R of x. So what is R of a? What is R of a? So R of a is area between x is equal to a and x is equal to a itself. R of x is this. R of b is this full area. Area between a and b. R of b is this full area. What is R of x? It is still any x you can take. What is R of a itself? It is area between a and a, which is a line without any breadth.
Hello?
So what is R of a? 0,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
If I put x is equal to a here, I'll get R of a equals to f of a plus k. But R of a is 0, right? Because area between a and a is a coincident
1 minute,
line,
sir. 1
so
minute.
it is 0. That means I got the value of k. K is equal to minus f of a. So I can substitute this here. So what will you get? R of x equals to f of x minus f of a. I just found out value of k using a boundary condition or one extreme condition, correct? Now, what do we need actually? We need area between a and b. I need this full area, right? For that, what should I use? R of b. Now my aim is to find R of b. That is what integral is, right? It is the area bounded by x is equal to a, x is equal to b, okay, and curve and x-axis. So I need R of b. That is my ultimate aim. So what is R of b?
Sir,
R
your
of b
screen.
is my ultimate aim. What is R of b? It is f of b minus f of a. That's what
It's
the
okay now.
definition is. So f of b minus f of a is
Not
what?
blur, sir.
Integral. See here. Here.
No, sir, very
So what is the
clear.
integral of f of x dx? First you write integral, you write upper limit and lower limit, and you subtract lower limit from the upper limit to get your answer. So that's what our derivation is. When you subtract lower limit from upper limit after writing the integral, okay, you get the area. And we also have seen that why you know f dash of x is small f of x, or why, see, I'll tell you, if f of x
Shall I turn
has
this?
integral
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
capital
One
F of
second, sir.
x,
That
then derivative of capital F
One
of x
second.
is capital F of x is small f of x. I'll tell you what. So I'll tell you what. I'll write derivatives on the left hand side and integrals on the right hand side. You'll understand. So derivatives. So what is the derivative of x, or what is the derivative of constant? 0. What is derivative of x? 1. What is the derivative of x square? It's 2x. What is the derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. What is the derivative of sin x? It's cos x. What is the derivative of e power x? It is e power x. What is the derivative of natural log of x? What is the derivative of natural log of x?
Change in
It's
linear
1 by
momentum.
x. Now I'm writing integrals here. So integrals are opposite, right? So integral of 0
The
is a
change is
constant.
always equal to
Integral
what?
of
Final momentum.
you know, 1 is x.
Minus
Actually
initial.
plus constant also you get, but I'm not writing that. Okay, I'll write x
Okay.
plus
Sir,
some
your
constant.
example.
Why that constant comes is because here even if you have constant,
here,
you'll
your
get
video is
sorry,
glitching.
here.
No, sir, no glitching. It's clear.
Here even if you have
Yes.
okay.
Right. So this is particle M.
Okay. Here
It's-
even if you have
It
constants,
hits like this.
the
After hitting,
derivatives are same because constant anyway it's
returns
0.
back
That's why
with
we write a
velocity
constant here.
v.
I'll get to that later. So
So
what is the
what is
derivative
the
of
change in linear momentum means? What do you do
erase this.
here?
MV minus MU.
You take
So what
this
is the
as
derivative of
positive direction or I cap.
okay?
And this
What is the
as
derivative
J
of 2?
cap
Sorry, what is the integral of 2x?
Then what is the
It's x
initial
square
momentum?
plus c. What is the integral of
MU.
3x square?
Mu I cap.
It's
MU.
What is the final momentum?
MV
x
minus
cube
I cap.
plus c. What is the
MU
integral of
minus
cos
I cap.
x?
This is
It's
nothing but
sin
Pf
x.
minus Pa.
What is the integral of e
MV
power x? It's e power x plus c. And what is the integral of 1 by x? It is natural log of x.
Sir, we can
plus
take
c.
M common out.
That means what the formulas are different. If something is in derivative of
What is the
something,
use of
then integral goes in the backward direction. Okay, that's what integrals are. And I'll write the
that means the direction
integrals
of
of
change in
important
momentum is in
functions
which
here.
direction?
So let me write
This is
integrals. You have to remember them. So integral of x power n is
followed.
x power
Yes,
n
yes,
plus
sir.
1
Clear?
by n plus 1.
Clear, sir.
Integral of
Yes,
Now
sin x
those
is
people are absent is simple thing.
minus cos x. Okay,
Again,
not
you'll
cos
face
x. That
problem.
was
You'll say,
derivative.
"I'm not understood."
Integral
You
of
don't
cos
understand,
x
whatever.
is sin x. Integral of 1 by x is
So return this.
natural log of x.
1 minute, sir.
Not
1
1 by
minute.
minus 1 by x square.
1
That is
minute.
differentiation.
1 minute.
Integral of e power x is e power x. Okay, you have to remember these integrals. And some more integrals I'll write. So actually these are very important that you have to remember. Apart from these, other integrals occur rarely. Okay, so I will continue with integrals in the next class. Okay, so you just go through this lecture properly and keep everything in mind, because graphically what are integrals are also important, and why integrals are, how integrals are
Finished?
related to derivatives is also important.
Sir.
The proof is little bit
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1
complicated,
minute, sir.
not complicated, it's little
Fast.
bit long, but if you know that, it will be well and good for you. If you don't know, not a very big problem, but you have to remember these integrals, and you have to remember what integrals are. You have to understand what integrals are. And we'll use integration throughout
Only
physics
how many booklets
to
you have,
find
man?
every equation, even
Okay.
why time
10
period in
booklets,
simple
sir.
harmonic motion is
3 hours is 4th round.
related to omega. Okay, why simple harmonic
where
motion can
will
be
we find
represented
the
by
circular
x is equal to a sine omega t.
in those booklets?
Okay, all those
Booklet
things
3.
are based
Module
on
3.
integrals
Motion
only.
in a plane.
Okay, and you get
Module
integration
reference, that
in
only last.
alternating current again. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
Don't see the name of the booklet.
because you have
Go
to
through
take
it, you'll get.
integrals when you are using inductors and capacitors. When you
Yes,
write
sir.
the equations of inductors and capacitors, you have to solve
Return
the
this.
equations by using integration
Yes, sir, you
only.
can turn.
And
Yes,
I
sir.
will derive these
Right.
formulas. P is equal to u plus
Oh,
at, s equals to ut plus
Sir,
half
1
at
minute.
square, and v square
Sir,
minus u
1
square is
minute.
equal to 2s. Again using integrals.
Fast.
Okay. One thing I'll do, I'll just derive those equations using integrals right now and end the lectures. Okay. Now,
Finished.
what is the definition
No.
of acceleration? Okay. Let me use integration and
Done.
derive those three formulas quickly. What is acceleration? Acceleration is what? Rate of change
100.
of velocity. Now, in uniform motion, A is constant. In uniform motion, A is constant. So, I'll put A here, I'll multiply dt here, and I'll keep V on the left hand side.
Done.
Now, if I apply integral on left hand side and right hand side, on the left hand side, initial time is 0 and final time is t. On variable is
Okay.
v, so initial time is what?
A particle
Sorry,
comes
initial
like this.
velocity is what? U, final velocity is v. Correct? Okay. Now
Theta.
here
This is
there is
M.
nothing but if you watch care, if you observe a little bit, you can see that there is one there, which you cannot see. Okay. Now A is constant that comes outside. Here again one remains, and here you have
With the
dt,
same angle it will
and
decay.
here you'll get 0 to t,
Need
and
not.
again here you have u to v
There
and
is
1
no rule
and
to
dv you
display.
get here. Correct.
Sir,
Now what
there
is
that
integration of
oblique
1?
rule, right? Which in
What
which
is
theta
If
1
the
is equal to
collision is
theta-
elastic
integration of
only,
1?
theta 1 will be equal to theta
X.
2.
That
Please
plus
don't
c you
have
write when there
half
are no
knowledge,
limits.
okay?
That is called
There are two
indefinite.
types. There are two
When you have
collisions
limits,
are
you need
there.
not
One
write
is
that
called
c. Even if you
elastic
write it,
collision.
cancels. From
In,
upper limit,
in
you subtract
elastic
lower limit, right?
collision,
That
both
c
the
anyway
speeds will
cancels.
be
So
same, angles will
integration
be
of
same.
1 is x.
There is
Correct?
another collision.
So
inelastic.
if variable is dx, then you'll have x. If variable is dt, you will have
This
t.
chapter
If
is also
variable
there.
is dv, you'll have
This
v.
chapter
Now
is
here,
also there in
what is the variable here? T, right?
So
So
elastic
integration
means
of 1
the
is t.
hitting surface
You
is
put the limit, there is a
bendable.
here, lower
Then all
limit,
that
upper
bendable
limit
and all
equals
now.
to,
That's
what is integration of
half
1 here?
knowledge is dangerous.
Your variable is v, that's why
Okay.
you write v, and here lower limit
Moon
is
is
u and
white
upper limit
means
is
you
v.
say
So
even
here
wall is moon.
you will get at minus 0, upper limit minus
Okay.
lower
Yes, sir.
limit, and
So
here upper limit minus lower limit, when you
I
substitute
cannot
in place
declare
of v,
until
upper
the
limit is
chapter
v
comes.
again, minus u, you will get this.
Wrong
So what did you get
interpretation
here?
will
V
take.
minus u is equal to at,
There are only two
which
types.
implies if you rearrange, v is equal to u
Or
plus
in
at.
other words,
That means this
if u
equation I
equals to
derived
v, theta
directly
internet is
using
called
integration.
elastic collision.
What did I do here? I separated variables. I sent t that
Understand this?
side and I brought, I kept v this side and I
Inelastic
integrated.
collision
If
takes
there is
place
any
all
t
the
or
physics.
v in the
This is an
equation,
ocean,
here
man.
you don't
Here is
have.
the big
You
tip
have
of
to
the
multiply
iceberg.
t with t and you have to multiply v with v. Or you should take all the terms that are t on the left hand side
You will study
along with dt
all
and
these
all
things.
the terms that are,
You are a
you know,
brain
like v,
scanning
v square,
MRI
v cube,
today.
whatever it is, you
Show
should
me
keep
a
them along with v. This is
single
called variable
hospital
separable
or
method.
any
Okay.
medical
So this is the first
examination
formula that I
without
derived.
the use of
Next
a
formula.
physics. Stethoscope
Okay.
works on physics.
Next formula
You
is
know that, no?
for
ECG,
displacement.
Yes, sir.
What is v?
emission, Doppler
v is
effect,
ds by
any
dt.
scanning.
Now we derive this formula
Everything
u plus
works on
at.
the
Correct?
principles of physics.
So if I rearrange this,
Google
ds
treatment,
is
don't
equal to
become a
u
doctor.
plus
What is
at
that?
times dt.
Open on medical
Right?
stuff.
So if
That's
I
also we need
multiply
pharmacy,
this
no?
separately, it
Best
is
thing
u
open
dt
on pawn
plus
shop.
at dt. Correct? Now I am applying integration. Now I am applying integration here,
And
here,
some
and
people
here.
also
Okay.
are
Initial
earning a
displacement is 0,
lot.
final displacement is s. Initial
Do
time
that
is 0,
via
final time is
message.
t.
There are also
Initial time
physics,
is
sir.
0,
There will
final
be
time is
fan
t.
inside
So
the shop, sir.
what is integration of 1? S.
Shall I try on that?
Lower limit, upper limit. And it comes outside. Again, integration
1
of 1
minute.
is, here you have dt, that's why the variable you get is t from 0 to t plus
Right.
a comes outside and here you have integration of t dt,
circular motion.
0 to t. Now
Pardon?
what is integration of x power n? It is x power n plus 1 by
Now
n
let
plus
us
1.
see.
So
We'll
here in
resolve
place of
this.
x you have t and you
You
have
know
t
that
power 1.
this is
So what you will
switch
have? T power
vector.
1 plus 1 t square by 1
This
plus
is
1
you
2.
know.
So a into t square by 2. Again if you put limit 0 to t,
Yes, sir.
U sin theta, u
this
cos
I am
theta.
writing again ut,
Yes, sir. We can resolve.
and this I am writing again s from 0 to s. So what is upper limit?
U cos theta.
S. Here,
Similarly,
what is upper limit minus lower limit? T minus 0. Here,
the
a by 2
triangle
I'll
of
take as
vector
common,
should
and
be
what is upper
divided
limit
now.
minus lower limit? T square
Yes, sir.
minus 0. So you'll get s equals to
So what will be
ut plus
this?
half at square. I derived the second
Because theta.
equation
Inside
also. It's quite easy. Now the last
Now
equation
you
I'll
can
derive
see
and I'll
from the
end the lecture.
diagram, it
So the
is
last
clear
equation is
that
what?
initial
E square minus
momentum.
u square is equal to 2as. But
Mhm.
I have this equation. Which equation?
Sir, please
V
explain
equals
that
to u
again,
plus
sir.
at. I'll use this and find that equation also. Which equation? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Let me do it. So I'll write v is equal to u plus at again.
Sir,
The problem is I cannot integrate directly. Let me tell you
sir,
what I'm
please
trying to
explain
say.
it
So
again.
dv by
What is it I have
okay.
done when I resolved? You don't know how to
I
resolve
don't want to
also.
use this equation actually.
I just
I don't
resolved
want to
this,
use
nothing
this
I have
equation.
done.
I'll use the definition
can't
of
resolve this.
acceleration. What is acceleration?
If I take this as I
Acceleration
cap,
is dv by dt,
with
rate of
J
change of
cap.
velocity.
What is initial
Now in v
velocity?
square minus u square is equal to 2as, you don't
cos
find t
theta
anywhere. So
1
somehow
I
I want to
cap
eliminate t. So what will I do to
u
eliminate t?
sin
Just see.
theta
A
1
equals
J
to,
cap.
A is constant acceleration, uniform motion.
Finally is how much?
So dv by
V cos
ds
theta 2
into
minus I
ds by
cube plus V sin theta 2
now you can
minus
see
J
that
cap.
these
So what
just
is the
multiplying and
change in
dividing by
linear
ds.
momentum?
Okay. Now what is by dt? Tell me.
So this is V
ds by
cos
dt is nothing
theta
but
2
it's equal to
minus
v.
I
So
cap
it's actually what?
V sin theta 2 minus J cap
If I rewrite, it is v
minus of
into dv by
u
ds.
cos
Correct.
theta
Now
1
if I
I
separate the
cap
variables, ds I'll send that
u
side, so it
sin
becomes a
theta
into
1
ds equals to
minus
v. I'll
J
keep
cap.
along with v because when I'm
So
integrating,
this
this
is
variable
nothing
should be
but
with this. I
V
cannot send v
cos
this side.
theta 2
Correct.
minus I
So I'll
cap
keep v on the
V sin theta
side of
2 minus
dv
J
itself.
cap.
Now I will
So
integrate
this is
from 0 to s. Initial is 0, final displacement is s, and initial
plus u
is
sin
u and final
theta
velocity
1
is v.
J cap.
Clear? Now
Followed
a
this?
is constant that comes outside, 1 remains ds 0 to s.
Yes,
And
sir.
v, is it constant? No, v is not constant. V is variable because we are integrating with that variable. So what is
Okay, we'll do one thing.
integration of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1? So what is integration of v here? In place of x
What
we
you are
have
doing
v
when all
because
this
variable
time?
is
I
v
completed
here.
your thing.
So v power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So v power 1 plus 1 by
Can I highlight it
1 plus
here
1
once
and
again?
limits are u and v. So what do you get here? A into what is integration of 1? S. So as you'll have here, and upper limit minus lower limit 0 to s. Upper limit and lower limit is 0 and s. And here you'll get v square by 2, and lower limit is u and upper limit is v. So what do you get? A into s minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. Here 1 by 2 you take common outside, and you'll get upper limit minus lower limit is v square minus u square. So what do you get if you rearrange this? V square minus u square equals to 2as. So we derived this also.
You do it?
Okay,
You
I'm
know
ending the
already?
lecture here. I'm ending the lecture.
Yes, sir.
So we'll start tomorrow. Again, I think some of the lecture was not visible. It was not mirroring. So let me see. I'll just do it again tomorrow in the lecture. I'll just redo it. Okay. I'm ending the lecture. Okay. I think this derivation was not visible. Okay. Let me just check the video and I'll do it again in the next lecture. Okay. I'll just redo this in the next lecture. So don't worry. Okay. I'm ending the stream now. Evening we'll have a chemistry lecture at 9 p.m. hopefully. So let's end the lecture here.
Pardon?
We don't know if it is elastic collision or it is inelastic.
Where
That's
it
why
will
we are
cancel, man? This is theta 1, theta 2. How it will cancel? You tell me. How it will cancel? Tell which items will cancel here. Shall I
No,
cancel
sir,
this?
That
not
should be
cancel.
plus mu. No, sorry.
You see, man. That's what you do, man. This is nothing but your school knowledge, you know. Do it. You should get that. With my little knowledge, I have done that. You people are guided by NEET experts, no?
Who, sir?
We are NEET expert, no?
Who, sir?
You did not see the pamphlet, a NEET expert last.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Which pamphlet?
Okay. MS pamphlet, NEET experts.
Your photo is there, sir.
My photo, I am not an expert, no?
Yeah.
My photos will never be anywhere.
You are
Right, sir.
sir. You are legend, sir.
Yes,
Yes, please.
Sir,
sir,
Superman.
photo will be, sir, photo will be in an academy.
See, your exam is some exam is there. It is not IP. For
Yes,
your
sir.
exam.
21st.
Yes, sir.
Exam
Sir, yes,
also,
sir.
huh?
21st.
Of 21st.
There are no classes, it seems, for 1 week.
Oh, yes, sir. What is the portion?
Who told, sir?
No classes, it seems, during that time.
Yes, sir.
What, sir? We didn't.
Hmm.
No classes, sir.
That's what they
For
said.
preparation, sir.
Yeah, preparation. You will prepare.
Then, sir,
What,
you
sir?
will tell us IP.
Hmm.
You will prepare us for IP.
No, no. You have to prepare. What is that? IP
What
question.
we should prepare, sir?
What is projectile motion?
Mm.
They gave an IP booklet, I
We
think.
have to
No?
give some questions, sir.
The IP material
Yes,
given.
Yes, sir. We
They,
got it.
they gave an IP metal. Read that, man. No. Everything I have
Okay, sir.
explained. Everything I have explained. Open that. See.
Okay, sir.
Today you open the IP book and go through that and check up whether I have covered everything or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I start from basics and then go through this subject, that is problems. Shall I turn this?
One
Sir.
second,
Yes,
sir.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Till where, sir, portion?
Till where we complete? Up to Newton's laws.
Laws of motion.
Hmm.
No, for us it won't be there, sir. For physics it won't be there, it seems.
Who told?
What
No,
will be?
sir. Gauss
Boss
sir
sir
only
said
said
only
we
botany
have
and zoology.
botany and zoology. Physics, chemistry, we will think
That
about
was
it
for
later.
only
First
slip
we do it.
tests.
I
No,
don't.
we asked
Midterms are
about
there,
it.
sir, also.
He just said
So
we
pre-board
will.
exam will have it.
It was for pre-board exam. We all asked whether it will.
Okay,
Okay,
tomorrow you
sir.
ask him.
Let's continue, sir.
Tomorrow you can ask him.
Okay, sir.
The people like Congress government will fight yourself only. Shall I turn this?
Over, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. That last line.
See, the camera is angry and you also. Whenever I am keeping it not focused. Shall I turn this? Next. See, suppose a liquid is flowing. Please follow this. This is a liquid through a pipe. This pipe is some liquid is flowing through this. So this is the area of cross section is A. Now when it's moving like this, every particle is moving with a speed u.
Sir, liquid has density.
Rho, here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So here This is what we need. Okay. Follow this. What is the mass of the liquid? Volume of liquid into density, no?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree with this or not? What is
Yes, sir.
volume? Area of cross section into the cell, whatever it is. Now, out of this area, the length will change as the liquid flows, no? This is nothing but what is that velocity of the liquid or not?
Yes, sir.
So remember always
Sir, length will be constant, right?
why man it goes on hopeless fellow. You keep this pipe, you can take that length of the pipe anywhere, no?
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Now if you draw a big pipe, mass
No,
rate of
sir.
flow of liquid.
No, sir.
I thought only in that limited
That's why
pipe.
you are reading too much of biology. That's why your mind became like this. People who read biology, they don't have usually this thinking. Only mugging only, no?
Yes, sir.
We don't mug it, sir.
You know reasoning for that.
Yes, sir.
You tell reasoning. Shall I ask some questions?
Yes, sir. I'm
Answer that was last. Sir.
Hmm? No man, again ego is there. That's the problem here. You have to accept, no? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are mugging. Why only?
No, sir. Some again, some understand.
Oh, yeah.
You have come across osmosis anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is osmosis?
The
What is
tracing.
what is osmosis? And which
Low
laws
concentration.
govern osmosis, man? What is the difference between osmosis and diffusion?
Osmosis takes
Osmosis
place
is in
in
liquids,
presence of
Osmosis is-
diffusion is in
membrane.
gases.
Yes.
Osmosis in liquids, diffusion in gases.
No, sir.
No,
Separating
sir.
membrane will be there in
No, sir,
osmosis
not
and
like that.
absent in diffusion.
Movement of water from
Diffusion is the
higher.
free flow of
From higher
molecules.
density to lower density.
Arey, yaar okay.
No, you're naming that, no? Why that process takes place? It goes, why it
Because
takes place?
higher movement of water from higher density to lower
Hopeless
density.
fellow, I know that,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Why that is happening?
Because of
Because
necessity,
why-
sir.
Okay, then water
Sir,
does
nature,
not
sir.
move. No. Water does not move from high density to low density to high density. You mean to say?
No, sir, it will move, but
Then what is that called?
we don't know that, sir.
Reverse osmosis, huh?
No,
Yes, sir.
active osmosis.
Active transport.
Anyhow, future
The bottom line is
generation.
we mug up, sir.
Huh? Pardon?
Sir, after understanding the concept, then we will mug up full.
Yeah, right.
Correct, sir.
ऊपर भगवान है, नीचे मानव है, मिडिल में चोरी है.
Sir, still
Yes, nice in Hindi.
Oh, sir, your Hindi is nice.
No. you read something, you mug up something, in between patient will be killed next. At that time, none
Sir,
of
we
us
will
will,
be-
poor patient will suffer.
Sir, India's future is bright, sir.
Very bright.
We are Vedantu students, sir. No.
No. That mad fellow Modi doesn't know English also, but he talks in English. That is the funny thing. You've seen him speak in English, you look at one screen and he'll be reading it.
Dolantrum, sir. Dolantrum.
No.
Dolan.
English will be written in Hindi, he'll read that.
Yes, sir. That
Right. Go to your prayer. Till here we completed now. Any doubts sir, that till here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
And don't be absent for at least.
About sir.
Which doubt?
A rho dl by dt, that line.
What do you want here? Area of cross section. These are constants, no? So I can remove from the differentiation. This is dl by dt. What is this rate of change of distance is called what? Speed only, no? This is rate of change of distance, no? L is what? Distance moved by the water, no?
Yes.
L
ds
is
by
dis-
dt.
ah,
ds by dt. Similar to that.
How is mass? Yes, you're right.
hopeless fellow. I understood this.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, who is the host, man? Madam left, I think, no?
Yes, sir. You are on the host.
Sir, this in charge is the best in charge, sir.
Pardon?
This in charge is the best in charge, sir.
Why? She won't bother anybody, huh?
She is doing her work
Back of
properly,
us,
sir.
sir.
Huh?
He's back of us every time
No,
to join the class.
she's
She's
back
there
of
in
us, sir.
every
Yes,
class,
sir.
sir. She's there and taking responsibility of every class.
Yes, sir.
She
Yes,
leaves
sir.
in between, no? Problem is that.
Sometimes she will leave, sir.
The point is she's
messaging.
Hmm.
She's doing everything, sir. Previously, Tahaniyat ma'am, she will say, she will see, if we ask questions, she will say, you study good, do night out, you will understand everything, don't do anything. She is at least saying
When
everything.
we ask something in a detail, we got the answer. It is a fact.
Yes,
Hmm.
it is a fact.
She'll agree, huh?
She's telling what to do, that everything she
She'll
will tell.
she'll agree, huh? To what you say. Hmm?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. Sir, if Tahaniyat ma'am would be there, she would just leave a message and then leave. Now only some IT people in MS started giving that personalized ID to get into Zoom. So no one can get inside. Only we can have the Zoom call. She sent us that, and then she explained what to do. If the Aniyat ma'am would be there, she would leave that message and say, "Study good and
But you
concentrate in the
Now you have Zoom idea. Now you're having Zoom idea.
No, sir. After the class, she will explain.
After the class, she will explain what to do. If Taniyat ma'am would be there, she
Yes,
would
sir.
leave and
She
say,
is making
"Study hard,
Now you
study
have.
hard, concentrate. You will
No,
understand."
from
sir,
tomorrow
only
you have
tomorrow.
Zoom idea.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I guess so. I guess
Yes,
so.
sir. Tomorrow.
Okay.
No one will
Right.
come inside.
Okay. Right.
This time
I
she is making ID password and sending us, sir.
No, man,
Yes,
I told
sir.
this, I only told this to Afzal sir. Unless you make this disturbance won't stop.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No.
even the teachers are given this new ID and password,
Thank
right?
you, sir.
So did you
Pardon?
get any of that? Even the
Yeah.
teachers are getting the ID and password, right? So did you get anything, sir?
No. The thing is, I gave that idea. Still, we don't know. We did not start so far.
No, sir.
Ah,
They started it. Today they were going to start, but because of classes and these
That's what.
things
Still
which
not
happened.
yet, man. First it will
Yeah,
be successful. First in NEET it is successful, then it will come to IIT. With IIT we have not much disturbance now. Only NEET batches we are having this headache.
no, sir. JL students.
Sir,
Back
JL41.
then,
JL
Sir,
students also,
sir,
sir. JL 41.
Yesterday in Arif
No,
sir's class, also
JL41 student. Do you club with them also?
sir,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
100
JL41
students
students.
were there, sir.
Sir, Junior Ames,
Inari, sir, class.
JL 40.
No,
Sir, should I
man.
leave?
No, man. June. Those who want to can leave. JL41 means L40 advanced. You are AIMS, medical. How you are clubbing all three? God knows.
Sir, that physical chemistry, no, sir. That's why he's clubbing.
Physical
And
chemistry means that hopeless fellow. There are three different patterns. No, one is mains pattern, the other is IIT advanced, the other is what is that? Means NEET
Sir,
pattern.
he teaches us IIT advanced.
no,
as well.
sir. He teaches
No,
like
no, man. Now I'm teaching this to you. No, L40 students will come now. All L40 students won't come. Only people are unable to follow fast in the morning because I go there at advanced level. Lot of maths will be there. Some people who cannot pick up, I ask them to attend this class. But notes will be different. Numericals also be different. That's why they won't give any answer. No, if I do the same problem, I will never do. I
that's
teach
the problem,
separate.
sir.
My approach is NEET separate, main separate, advanced separate, and batch to batch it will be separate again. Last year notes will be different from this year notes.
Yes, sir. You are correct. But Arif sir,
Arif
while
sir will
teaching me,
give same
he will
notes, sir, for
say
everyone.
like this
He will
problem
say,
is
I
for
enjoy
both IIT and NEET. So both doctors and
and
IITians, you follow this.
He will give
yeah,
advanced
I will
type of questions and he will say to enjoy.
I will tell you, sir, how he will say. First, he will give a topic: Newton's law of motion, linear motion. Doctors, IITians, focus here. This topic is for both of you. Then he will say particle of mass. Then he will say, doctors, you understood this is now IT. If doctors want to understand this, you understand. But you can leave IITians. You have to understand this. This graph. Okay, over. IITians will question, how this graph, sir? Then he will say, you did not understand. Get out of my class. Once you asked out. I will tell whole topic. How will I understand? Okay, next. I it P if P is kept a constant.
I think that is a
IITians,
crime, sir.
IITians, doctors, you both should understand this. Sir, I did not understand. No, why are you in this class? Get out.
Sir, he will
Sir, he
beat us.
explained pretty
Sir,
well, sir,
supermarket
but
questions.
we can't ask dots,
Then
sir.
then he will give questions. He
Sir,
will
he
give
will make
50,
us do
25
IIT.
questions. 50, 25 questions in mole concept. He had to put pressure and all those advanced thing. If you put pressure, atmospheric pressure, full world, if you put beside one molecule, then he will ask question. Then if you want to, he will say, why didn't you do that at home? Huh? Your donkey army. Then he will say, he's giving IIT advanced questions. Then he's asking, why can't you do that at home? How will we do it at home, sir? We are not IITians, no, sir. How? Sir?
Sir,
He will
basically
make
it's a headache, sir.
IIT means.
Alas.
Sir, if we can do
Sir,
that,
that is teaching for AIMS.
we are going to buy, sir.
Sir, if we
Hello?
Sir,
Sir,
you only
if
say,
you
sir,
know that much,
how
why
can
is
AIM
doing
students
classes?
do that IIT questions, sir? That too, they
is
are
giving
like
No,
IIT
man,
E5 level.
it is clear cut indication that he doesn't know any knowledge of NEET examination. So whatever he knows is just dumping. See, man, teaching we should do lot of homework, more than student. Before I
Yes,
take
sir.
the class, what should I have to planning? How to make the student to understand. You read yourself that circular motion, you won't understand anything. Open the book, you'll be knowing.
sir, he will say, I am making so awesome slides with animations and Marvel and DC. Why aren't you understanding?
All that I agree, man. Your
Sir,
biryani is
after all that, the way
your
of teaching
biryani.
is not good, so we are not
No,
able to
your
understand.
biryani is very good, but I should understand how to eat, no? Basically, I'm not
Yes,
against
sir.
that.
True.
What I can do?
Sir,
Who
that is
said
the
he is?
reason we enjoy your class and not that class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that.
When we will
Sir,
sleep, sir, in that
first of
class.
all, there
That's
should
forcefully
be student and teacher
enjoyment.
interaction, no, sir.
Sir, it's like he's adding chicken, mutton, veg, everything in one biryani and giving to us.
You have to pick up that. Those who want chicken, they have to take. Mutton, they have to take. Potatoes, they have to take.
Everything
Like
means
that.
only one biryani, one rice, everything is adding and giving us.
Sir, as if you didn't understood, you will explain again, no, sir. But if we tell to Arif, sir, he will tell, I explain in a systematic way. You did not understood, it's not my problem, sir.
Yes, sir. आप chronology समझिए, he will say.
Amit Shah.
Is Amit Shah, sir. Yes, sir. He will say. Yes. Sir, is Amit Shah, sir. First Modi will say NRC, then he will say no NRC.
Right. Go to your place. Tomorrow we'll meet. Right. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye.
Sir, bye.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, tell me, man.
Sir, I have a doubt in the assignment which you send us.
Which assignment I sent now?
Sir, I am from JL40, sir.
Which
You posted
assignment?
it in the group, sir.
I posted.
Yes, sir, you posted one assignment. I have a
How
doubt
many
in
doubts are there?
one, sir. I posted it in the group.
I'll check up it. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir. Take care, sir. Bye.
Bye.